as much as we're often going to see, and this obviously depends on the area that you're in, more often than not we're going to see natural gas furnaces in most places. But regardless of whether it's natural gas or propane, the components, the furnaces typically come out of the shop prepped for natural gas. And then if you are in an area with propane gas, and that's going to be something that you're going to see, your clue is going to be that you'll have a tank on site, either above grade, and it's usually outside, or you'll have a below grade propane tank. Propane tanks are, you can have these, in essence, it's like a crypt, and they'll be buried in the ground, but within this concrete crypt. So between the gas units, that's what we're more often going to see in regards to furnaces, and then from there we'll see, if we do see once we see a gas furnace, we need to identify if it's propane, and then also too we need to identify that it's been modified, that the furnace has been modified for propane, and that's going to be something that you would see clearly labeled at the unit. Now, in regards to when we get to oil furnaces or oil appliances, oil is another of the fossil fuels that we'll see out there. And keep in mind too, and it's listed in 2025 that we're going to be shying away from fossil fuel usage in new home construction. So there's still millions of homes out there that are going to utilize and are utilizing natural gas, propane gas, and oil, and even some coal out there as well too. But in regards to oil is in regards to, or at least compared to, natural gas and propane. Between gas appliances, oil is definitely a fuel that we need to keep an eye on the appliance for, with more attention, just for the fact that oil burns dirtier, whereas gas is a cleaner burning fuel. That's one of the preferences there. It leaves a minimal carbon footprint in regards to byproducts. And so obviously as the appliances become more efficient, we utilize more of the fuel to produce BTUs that we need in the house. Oil is of gas and oil is the sloppier of the fuels. It's even in its most efficient operation as far as appliance goes, there's just going to be a lot of byproduct in regards to the oil. It leaves that soot, and that soot is something that we need to monitor as homeowners, and ultimately as far as our maintenance goes, we need to keep an eye on the appliances that utilize oil heat, because the byproducts are enough to just make a mess of things in regards to the condition of the flue, making sure the liner's in decent shape, making sure the liner's clean, make sure that the burners are working effectively. And with oil, just the process, the combustion process, end product is just more junk. And that junk, I'm definitely utilizing generic terms here, but it just puts a lot of wear and tear on the burners, clogs them up. It needs more maintenance. So whenever you get into a home that has oil appliances, it's just one of the things to understand, that maintenance has to be more attentive to. And if you're not a homeowner that's going to pay attention to your appliances with oil heat, you're going to run into trouble. You're going to run in potentially dangerous situations with improper combustion processes happening. And also too, you can run into dangerous situations too once we start. Anything combustion has the potential to produce carbon monoxide, and we want to minimize those circumstances without a doubt.